You want to hear a side of me? Yeah. Sure. Tomorrow, around 9:64 p.m., my mother told me she is a virgin. You know, bro, I'm 21 years old, bro, and have a younger brother who's 35 years old. One day, bro, I was in my room. My father smelled the noise I was making in the room. He smelled the noise all the way down, bro. And he came to my room. He does that 9 days a week. He does that 9 days a week. And when he beated me, I went out of my butt. My butt went crazy. How will I practice my essay tomorrow? Because I went out of my butt went crazy. One day my friend was calling me. He told me that his mother was died before he was born. I found out my friend stole my girlfriend. And I found out that I died. And I saw my girlfriend and my friend went to my grave. And they called me and said, come here and see and talk to you. On the gateway, me, myself and I came to look at my grave. We all cried together.